Basically, we will discuss the difference between dropshipping and print on demand business. Topic. So before we starting our video, if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel, share with your friends and family, and press the bell icon for notifications. So let's start the topic. Print demand. What is print demand? Print demand is printing technology or business process in which copies are not printed until the company receives an order, allowing prints of single or small quantities. So, in print on demand function or print on demand business, it work on the demand of a customer. So, the 10 best print on demand companies are Printful, SPOD, Printfully, Printfy, Apply, Dropship, Telelunch, Custom, and Tpop. So the next thing is about that what is drop shipping. So drop shipping is a process which is depending on the supplier or third party on demand. So print on demand company has a very unique retail fulfillment method. So to need a seller to have keep stock in their best basement, particularly disappears when partnering with a print or demand a t-shirt company. T-shirt company is an example that how we can print on demand function is work or business is work drop shipping. So drop shipping is the process of passing customer order on the supplier partner. How then the ship on the order directly to the customer is a great way of a merchant to sell goods without the cost of maintaining to physical inventory or the complement existing inventories and extend their product offering. In drop shipping they work online virtually, they work virtually, they sell their all products or any type of product on virtually. So next is what does the process look like for each business model. So print on demand has different strategies or models. They choose a print, then customer sees your design, then with the customer money discussion or cost discussion, they pack up and ship it to customer use as the you as a seller will receive the according profit margin. So draw shipping a buyer places on order on the seller website, which is most likely. So the seller forward the order or the third party trail shipping. So this is the way that how we can do draw shipping or print on demand. I also understand that what is the difference between the print on demand and versus drop shipping. Thanks for watching video. Wait for the next video. Thank you.